welcome back to another video. So today I've got the last set of glitters that I've been waiting for off AliExpress, and I said after this set turns up I'm not ordering no more for a while. So I'm going to quickly show you these, and I've got a couple of other bits as well. I'll see how much we get through. Right, shall we start with these glitters? I'm so excited. Right, should I bring you down a bit? I'll bring you down a bit, yeah. Right, so again, this is a set of 12. They are all hex mixes. Some of them are matte, some of them are not. This set of nails is fresh. This set is quite grown out now and needs doing again. Anyway, right, so this is like a baby pink hex mix. This is matte, and it's got white and black in with it as well, but the majority of it is pink. It's really, really nice. I really, really like it. These have already been halved as well. You actually get double this amount. I've split mine with Joe, as we do, because we'll never get through it. So that's the first one. Gorgeous. The first three are pink, so I'll show you the pinks together. So there's this one. It's difficult to show you. I always say it because the fine bits always stick to the bag. But anyway, this is hot pink. Yeah, it's like a dark pink, a hot pink, and a baby pink. 3 different pinks. And it's got a white in there as well. That's really, really nice. I really, really like it. Again, that one's all matte as well. Right, the third pink one is this one. So this is just hot pink and baby pink with the black. I'll show you them together. They are different. So there's them 3. I really, really like them. I do. I really like them. Right, next we've got this one. This one's cool. So this is yellow, orange and black. But it's got metallic gold hex mix in with this one. It's really difficult to show you. Yeah, it's got metallic gold in this one. I really, really like that. It's a really unique mix. I would never have put them colours together, but I really like it. I do. Right, then we've got this one. This one's cool. Like nude colours. It's like a really, really pale pastel yellow. And then we've got these like nude ones with black. And it's got, yeah, black. It's 2 different shades of nude and a black, I think. And that one's matte as well. I really, really like that. Right, and next we've got this one. This one's similar. Again, it's like nude colours. Black, white, and it's got a really pale, like nudie, yellowy kind of colour in it. Really like it. Right, and then next we've got this one. This one's nice. This is yellow, and it's got a little bit of black in there. And this has got some like bronzy gold metallic hexes in with it as well. Really like that. I really, really like these. They're so unique. Then we've got this one. This is black, white, nude, and this has got the bronzy gold metallic in with it as well. Really unique colours, aren't they? They really are. Right, then we've got this one. So this is black, white and gold. That one's cool. Look at that gold shimmering. Really, really nice. The black and white is matte. Yeah, and the gold's metallic. Then we've got, this one's just plain matte black and white. I really like that as well. Yeah, that's just plain black and white. And then we've got 2 more. This is another, see, this has got nude in with it, like a nude pink, hot pink, black, and the metallic gold. That one's really cool. I really, really like that one. Some of these hexes are like paper. They're wafer thin. They're really, really cool. I've not seen anything like some of these. I really haven't. Right, and lastly, the last one is this one. And this is black, white and red. How smart is that? Really, really cool. This black, white and red would be brilliant with like Alice in Wonderland or casino nails with the deck of cards. And yeah, right, so that is the set of glitters from AliExpress. The last set that I'm waiting for. I haven't ordered any more, not yet. I'm going to try and refrain. Right, and I'll quickly show you a couple of other bits I've got from AliExpress. Right, firstly, I've got myself some more of these. These are just little glass capuchins, and I put them on, show you a couple. Bottles like this, where I don't know what colours in them. I just paint them and stick them on there. So that's what I use them for. I think there's 100 in there, I can't remember. But I really like them. So I grabbed some more of them. I got myself some of these are so cool. I don't know if these are foils or angel paper, because I bought some angel paper from Charlie's Nail Art a while ago, and it was this blue one. I'll show you when I get to it. It's going to be very difficult to show you. But they've got that kind of back, and they're just really, really shiny. Really shiny. There's a gold one. Look at that one. They're so smart. Look at the colour shift. And then there's this one's completely see-through, but it's got that UV, kind of UV shift to it. And then there's that one. They're so cool. Another transparent one. Look at that. It's like pink jelly, but it's got that shift to it. Wow, look at that. It's like a red one. And then that's another see-through one. Look at them. They're so cool. I can't wait to use these. I really can't. Then there's that one. Another see-through one. And this is the one I bought from Charlie's Nail Art. This blue one. I just recently used it on a set of nails. And I bought it as angel paper. So I don't know if they're foils or angel paper. I don't know. I'll have to try them with foil glue. Another see-through one. I absolutely love these. These are going to be so cool for summer. Look at them. Another see-through one, like a blue one. That's just plain silver. Look at this purple one. Wow. I'm sorry I'm flicking through these quick, but... Ooh, look at that. Groovy. I don't like spending ages showing stuff because, yeah, I get bored quite easily, I do. Then there's this one. Wow. The colour shift on these is amazing. Look at that. They're so much nicer in real life. They really are. Oh, I love them. But I don't know if they're foils or angel paper because, like I said, I bought one of these from Charlie's Nail Art and it is angel paper, so I don't know. I'll have to try them with foil glue and see what happens. Right, so there's them. Right, also from AliExpress, these are so exciting. Let me open them. Right, these are, should I give you a clue? They come with a syringe. Weird, I know. These are Aquarium nail tips. You know that you can put water in and glitter in. It's going to be hard for me to show you. Because I've got nails on, but look, they are nail tips. And you stick it to the end of your finger. Like, let me get one of my flexi fingers off and show you. Right, I've put a quick nail bed on one of my flexi fingers. So these nail tips, look, they've got a little hole in them there that you would fill up with the syringe, with whatever you want to put in them. And then, just like a regular nail tip, you would glue it on to there. Can you see? And this would all have water in it and glitter and whatever you want to put in it. Yeah, they just glue on like regular tips. I was worried they'd gonna show up and they'd be really bulky, but they're actually not bulky at all. So I'm really excited to use them. Oh shit, which one did I get it out of? They haven't got numbers on, so it's really difficult to remember which one I got it out of. I'll stick it in there. So yeah, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different sizes. I can't wait to give them a go. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I just thought they were just really cool. I couldn't just skip past them. I had to buy them. So it comes with that. That's obviously to fill them up. Can't wait. Give me some ideas, guys. What do you think I should do with them? Just fill them with glitter, just to try them out, test the water, or what? Right, quickly now, moving on to Amazon. I've got a couple of bits off Amazon, right? I've got these. The Presson Nails, and believe it or not, they're from Saviland. Yet again, Saviland are sending things out with none of their name on the packaging. You would have no idea that they're from Saviland. I think you get 24 pieces of each. Let's have a look. The coffin. Yeah, I think you get 24 of each. And they're just press-ons, coffin. So you would just glue them on like that. They're in very, very nice shape. I do like the shape of them. It doesn't come with glue either, which I was a bit disappointed about, because yeah, they've sent them little, you know, the little sticky strips that you stick them on with, these things, but no glue, so it doesn't give you the option. Some people like to glue them on, don't they, to last longer. So I think for the price they're charging, yeah, they could have stuck a little tube of glue in with them, couldn't they? But yeah, I've noticed that a lot lately with Saviland. I've seen it on Pumpkin's nail station. She spent quite a lot of money as well on Saviland stuff. And it's turned up in just random packaging. With no Saviland or anything. Which I think's a bit shit really, but it is what it is. We'll have to try them out and decorate them. See what we can do with them, jazz them up a bit. Couple more things from Amazon. I've got myself a black Venelisa gel polish. I'm really enjoying Venelisa products at the minute. I'd never tried Venelisa up until a few weeks ago, and everything I've tried of theirs up to now has been really nice. So it's number 911, yeah, and it's just a black. I go through a hell of a lot of black and white, so I grabbed that. Venelisa packaging is always really nice and good quality as well. Right, and also from Venelisa I got this, and it's an orange colour. I didn't have a regular. I've got neons, I've got like dull rusty oranges, but I didn't have just a regular orange. So yeah, this is just a regular orange, tangerine orange, and it's quite a big bottle, that 12ml. I like that bottle as well. Really, really nice bottle that, isn't it? So yeah, I got myself just a plain old regular orange. Sticking with Amazon, I've got myself, again, you know me guys, I love nice packaging. I've got this. Should I zoom you out a bit now? This is from the brand Oliver, and it's just a base coat, a top coat, and a matte top coat. Oh no, it's not. I'm lying through my teeth sat here. It's a base coat and a top coat. Right, how do I get these out? Yeah, these are 15ml as well, so they're big bottles. I like these bottles. They're nice. Right, so yeah, it is a base coat and a top coat. I thought it was a matte top coat as well, but nope, I'm lying. How do I get it back in? There we go. Look at that packaging. It's beautiful. Love it. That'd make a really nice gift, or a stocking filler or something at Christmas, that would. Right, two more things quickly. Got myself some more scissors. I don't know if any of you remember, I ordered myself what I thought was little scissors like this. And when they turned up, they were these big things. Look at the size of them. They're huge. But these are very similar style, except they are smaller and perfect for just cutting things up and striping tape and getting right into little. Yeah, so I've got myself some smaller scissors, finally. Right, and lastly, let's move all this out of the way. I've got myself some pigment powders off Amazon. So this is the brand there, Z1. Make your life colourful with our Mica powder. So it's 24 powders. Oh gosh, that box is tight. Bloody hell, I couldn't open it. Yeah, it's 24 powders and they are huge. I didn't realise they were that big. So they're all 10 gram. And they're all Mica powders, so they've all got that kind of shimmer in them. And there's every colour under the sun. Violet, that's beautiful. Look at that one. Emerald. Pretty colour, isn't it? And it's come with these little spoons. What else have we got in here? Symphony Gold. Ooh, look at that. And then we've got Silver Grey. So yeah, there's every colour under the sun in here. Fuchsia. So I'm excited to give some of these a try. But things like this Mica powders are brilliant for doing ombres. Yeah, it makes it so easy. Zitong. I have never ever heard of a colour called Zitong. Zitong or Zitong. Looks like a bit of a rose gold kind of. But yeah, I love Mica powders for ombres and stuff. But that's it, guys. I think we're at the end of it all. Yeah, that's it. I can finally get it all put away. I always say that, don't I? But I hate stuff like this lying around on my desk. I just want it to be put away in its own place. As for these, I'll have to try these and see if they work as foils with foil glue, or if they're just angel paper. If anybody's tried these or got these, let me know. Are they foils or are they angel paper? Because I haven't got a bloody clue. But anyway, guys, that is going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.